Hey guys, it's Bobby here, and welcome to the How to Grow Your YouTube Channel in 2020. And today I'm going to go over tip number 11. How do you do that? I don't know. 11, one and one, right? All right. So I'm going to talk about repurposing content. But before that, I want to review yesterday's tip number 10, right? Which is create a playlist. Remember, creating a playlist will get you have 25% more viewers, and viewers will watch it 25% longer. So we're increasing watch time, which I didn't mention yesterday. So good thing you guys tuned in today. And another thing is it actually creates a digital imprint. So YouTube knows that you're working, clocked into YouTube, right? All right. And then also it helps with your suggested videos, right? Because they're most likely to suggest that because it's all grouped into one playlist. Does that make sense? All right. So today, repurposing content. So the best way to get more content is to repurpose your content. What does that mean? Make a compile of videos, right? Of your best of, or your YouTube help tips and tricks series, or your eBay dropshipping series, or your make money online series, right? Or something like, hey, your motivational hack series, right? Inspiration, or your money books, or books and tales. So as long as you can repurpose those content, and if you do make like a 30-minute video, you could crop or clip a small part of that video and repurpose that through other social medias like Instagram stories, Facebook Lives, Facebook stories, or any other platform that you use, right? And that's another way to create more content and get more views. Does that make sense? Awesome. Now, stay tuned for tomorrow, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. I'm going to show you tip number 12, which is cross-promoting your videos. All right, guys? So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Peace out.